mind. Please keep in your heart and your mind the importance from the side of everyone to pay the great respect towards Kyabje Papunka Rinpoche.
이 간지 토리네 댐데기 찬 딩가 주베 지구 쉬야다 공도 꿀 디체고한테 개침을 거래.
From every aspect, there is the correct interdependence through which we truly need to keep manifest our respect and gratitude towards Kyabje Papunka Rinpoche.
그렇게 보면 어떻게 지주주 지금 문진당 때부터 장은 때부터 장은 주베 대신 두어면은 팀 문진당 지금 시대는 아주 두어면 돼. 대고 제고한테 개침을 거래. 먼저 자원이야. 저서 팀 대신 두어면 최고.
Also,
단지 제국 유에스에 가다는 영화를 이내야 나로 시스템이 선대주.
Also, the Kyabje Papunka Rinpoche was recognized by Kyabje Trijang Dorje Chang as the reincarnation of Papunka Rinpoche. So truly there is no any sort of mistake. It's completely unmistaken reincarnation of Papunka Rinpoche of Papunka Dechen Nyingpo. So it's truly on the side of each and every one of us our duty to keep this respect and connection to Papunka Rinpoche also. And I am not in a position to order you anything, but I am in a position to request you to please keep this connection to her, to manifest and keep your respect to Papunka Rinpoche. That's all. Thank you very much.